This is for Year 10 Methods Pathways. We're going to look at exercise 5.4, question number 5a. Now, this is a tricky question, okay? And the reason it's tricky is not very apparent because it seems pretty straightforward. You're just working out the surface area of, a square base pyramid and which is a tapered solid and a rectangular prism. Now, the only thing is, if you look at the formula for a square base pyramid, it's b squared plus 2bh. Now remember, the b squared represents the base of the surface area base of the square base pyramid, which we don't want because this part is not exposed to the air at all, so we're not going to count it. Okay, remember, the surface area is of all surfaces that are actually exposed to the air, so that's not exposed to the air, it's covered, so we're not going to count that. So the only thing we're interested in is 2bh. B stands for base, which we have. We know the base of the base side of each of these triangles is going to be 3 meters. So we have the base, but we don't really have the height. Okay, why is that? Because what they've shown here is, if I draw one of the triangles this way, they've actually given us 2.5, which is the length here, but they haven't given us the height of the actual triangle, so we actually got to physically find the height. So if I were to divide this triangle, one of these triangles, into two, we know that the full length would be 3 meters. So this will be 3 meters in its full length. But if I divide it into two, that'll be 1.5. Okay, you can do that on a calculator, confirm it. And this will be a right angle triangle, so I can rewrite it like this. You'll get 2.5 here, 1.5 there, and h there. So the shortcut is, we're trying to find the shorter side, so we just go longer side squared, my shorter side squared, and square all that. On the CAS calculator, when you enter that on the calculator, you should get a value of 2. Okay, so we've got our height, so we can actually use that formula now. Okay, so this represents the area of 4 triangles of a square base pyramid. Okay, well, we have 4 triangles because if you count the areas, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles at the top. This is what we want. So the total surface area is 2 times base, which is 3. The base hasn't changed, it's 3. The reason why we did all this was just to work out what the height was, times the height, which is 2. Okay. Now, let's deal with the rectangular prism. Okay, remember, we don't have all 6 sides, we have 5 because the top side's covered. Okay, so the bottom side is really easy, so we'll do the bottom side first. It's 3 by 3, and we've also got the 4 sides which are the same. Okay, so front, back, side, they're all 10 by 3. Okay, and the reason why that is because the base is a square, so these will all and have the same height, so these 4 will be the same. So we're just going to go 4 by 10 by 3 because we've got 4 lots of 10 by 3. Let's enter this on our calculator. So if we enter this on our calculator, so I'll just go to my CAS, and we should get 2 by 3 by 2 plus 3 by 3 plus 4 by 10 by 3 gives you 141. So your answer should be 141. You have to have the units, meters squared, because it's area. Okay. So the trick was, you shouldn't use 2.5 your height. The actual height is actually 2 when you're doing your calculation. Hopefully that helps.